So you look at your fender, either the left or the right hand side. I'm facing the front of the fender. I'm going to lay the strap, the twist, leather over the hole where the two pieces come together, and then I start to wrap the latigo around it, pulling it fairly tight as you can. So you've got 4 wraps, 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I come around again, I'm going to stick the end of the latigo piece through this hole, and I'm going to pull it through as snug as I can, tight. All right, then I'm going to insert the end of the latigo tip through that hole, pull that through, pull that tight, and then when you go to put this on the stirrup, the latigo tip end is going to come around from the back across to the front and into the buckle, so that my end of the latigo is going away from the front. And that's all you have to do.